Alright boys, welcome to this week's video, and I have a fun one for you guys today. If you've seen the title, it'll probably be something along the lines of I created a $10,000 anime intro in 6 hours using AI. It might actually be exactly that. That sounded alright. But if you're wondering, you might be thinking $10,000, that sounds expensive. And it does sound expensive, don't get me wrong, but go ahead and do me a favor. Search up what the average amount is that it costs to create a total anime intro. That's the soundtrack included as well. And you'll probably understand why I made $10,000 in the title. Now, I did go ahead and create this all using AI. The song is completely AI generated, the animations are AI generated, everything is AI from the ground up. So let me just clear that up out the way. Now, if you're wondering how I ended up even making this in the first place or why I ended up making it, well, I had no intent of making an AI anime opening or AI anime intro, but one of my boys sent me a post, right? And it's from this well-known, well-established crypto finance YouTuber. His name is Alex Becker, okay? And he basically made this post. Let me actually show you guys. He made this post on Twitter, and it's basically, it says AI anime intro challenge. Long story short, he said he'll be giving $100,000 away worth of this new meme coin that he's launching, whatever. I didn't read into it too much, but if you guys know anything about me, I mean, you can tell in the background somewhere of it right here, there's a Goku figurine right there, and you're literally watching an AI YouTube channel that I run. So I was like, well, it's kind of like two worlds colliding that I'm pretty well versed in. So I thought, let me go ahead and make something light, make something real quick, and that's why I used about, to be honest, under 6 hours worth of work to make this whole thing. Keep in mind, guys, if I was doing this for a client or it was like a professional project for me, I definitely 100% could have made this much better quality than what it is. So if you see any mistakes or some things look a bit choppy or weird, then you know why. I definitely could have done better. But that pretty much explains everything. The last thing I want to say, guys, is that if you want me to make a separate video basically documenting the whole process that I went through in order to make this, so you guys can maybe make similar stuff of your own, then I can make a separate video documenting it and explaining to you guys what I did. But yeah, leave some comments, and if you guys want that enough, then I'll definitely make a separate video. Our free community is up to 606 members, and I have officially decided that once this reaches 1,000 members, which you guys still have plenty of time, it will become a paid community, probably like $5, $10, something cheap, something light. But the whole reason why I'm doing that, guys, is because this PDF tab that I have right here of a bunch of different files is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger with tons of valuable information in there that I've just made completely free up until this point. So at some point I thought we got to put a price cap on it just to make it fair for everybody who's been there early on, okay? So that's pretty much it, guys. This is the AI anime intro that I ended up making.
過去の影囚われた世界に答えを探してた一人戦う日々古いルール壊し真実の光へ導く道を見つけろテンピラスの覚悟でかすかなシグナル新時代の夜明け目をそこにあるデジタルアセンション限界を超えろ闇を先進む光の道をネオ東京の空へコップはしないブラックホール目指し突き進むだけベースな魂ヒテテスの雑音は聞こえないあだのはしないも遠い残響さ